Did you know there's a little-known investment strategy that's generating $500 a day for those who know how to use it? It's not stocks, it's not crypto, and it's definitely not some gimmick. Yet barely anyone is talking about it. Let's break it down. Imagine waking up every morning knowing that, without lifting a finger, your investments have already made you more than most people earn in a full shift at work. That's the power of cash-flowing alternative assets. And today, I'm pulling back the curtain on one of the most overlooked ways to build daily income. Now, I know what you're thinking. If this really works, why isn't everyone doing it? The truth is, most people are trained to think of investing only in terms of stocks and bonds. But the wealthiest investors, those who consistently outperform the market, think differently. They focus on income-producing assets that pay them daily, not just in the future. Here's where it gets interesting. The investment I'm talking about is private lending, specifically short-term real estate loans. This strategy involves lending capital to real estate investors who need fast funding for property deals, earning you daily interest payments that stack up to hundreds of dollars a day. Let me show you exactly how this works. Take Olivia, for example. She had $50,000 sitting in a savings account earning next to nothing. Instead of letting inflation eat away at it, she leveraged it in a secured private loan to a real estate developer at a 12% annual interest rate, structured as daily accrual interest payments. That meant she was earning $500 every single day just for making her money work for her. And the best part? Her investment was backed by a tangible asset, a property worth far more than the loan amount, giving her a layer of protection that stock market investors can only dream of. Now, before you jump in, let's talk about risk management. Not all private lending deals are created equal. The key is knowing how to evaluate borrowers, structure deals with legal safeguards, and secure collateral. Here's what you need to look for. Loan-to-value ratio, LTV. The lower the LTV, the safer your investment. Aim for deals where the loan is no more than 70% of the property's value. First lien position. This ensures you're the first to get paid if anything goes wrong. Borrower track record. Look for experienced investors with a history of successful projects. Short-term terms. Avoid locking up your capital too long. Deals under 12 months keep your cash moving. And here's the best part. You don't need millions to get started. Platforms and private lending networks allow accredited and non-accredited investors to participate in these high-yield opportunities with as little as $5,000. That means almost anyone can start generating daily cash flow with this strategy. Think about it. What could you do with an extra $500 a day? Pay off debt faster? Reinvest and scale up? Achieve financial independence years ahead of schedule? Most people are stuck in the mindset of buy and hold, waiting decades for their investments to hopefully grow. But high-level investors know that cash flow is king. The more passive income streams you build, the faster you break free from financial stress. So, here's your next step. Start researching private lending opportunities, connect with real estate investors, and make sure you're structuring deals the right way. If you found this eye-opening, you'll love what's coming next. Click the video on screen to unlock another game-changing wealth strategy.